Tired of basic crypto trading? Wish you could do more than just a simple buy or sell? Well, if you've been using the standard Coinbase app, you've probably noticed that it's great for beginners but a little light on features. What if I told you there's an entire professional-grade platform that's already linked to your account and gives you the tools you need to take your trading to the next level? That's what Coinbase Pro is all about. Now rebranded as Coinbase Advanced Trade, it's a powerful platform designed for serious traders. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice is the user interface. It's not just a simple buy and sell button. You're looking at a full-fledged trading view with real-time charts, order books, and trade history. This is where you can see the true pulse of the market. You have access to advanced charting tools like candlestick charts, which give you a much clearer picture of price action than a simple line graph. You can also add technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and moving averages to help you spot trends and potential entry or exit points. But the real power of Coinbase Advanced Trade lies in its order types. On the standard Coinbase app, you're limited to market orders, which buy or sell immediately at the current price. With Advanced Trade, you can use limit and stop orders, which give you far more control. A limit order lets you set a specific price to buy or sell at, so you can execute your trade only when the market hits your desired level. A stop order, on the other hand, is a great risk management tool. It lets you automatically place an order to buy or sell when an asset's price reaches a certain point. This is crucial for protecting profits and limiting losses without having to watch the market 24/7. One of the best things about using this platform is the fee structure. While the standard app has fixed fees, Coinbase Advanced Trade uses a maker-taker model. Makers, who provide liquidity by placing limit orders, and takers, who immediately fill existing orders with a market order, pay lower fees that are based on their 30-day trading volume. This means the more you trade, the less you pay in fees. So, how do you get started? It's simple. Since Coinbase Pro has been integrated into the main Coinbase app as Advanced Trade, all you have to do is log in and switch to the Advanced Trading interface. You can transfer funds instantly between your standard Coinbase wallet and your Advanced Trade account with zero fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.